Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making unstuffed cabbage. Okay guys, I'm starting out in a preheated Dutch oven, and I have a pound of ground beef I'm going to add in here. And it's a little discolored because it's vacuum sealed and frozen. As the oxygen hits it, it'll come back to life. I'm just going to break that up quick. It's going to be a quick and easy one-pot meal that goes together fast with very little cleanup. Okay, now to my ground beef, I have one large onion I diced it. That's going to go in. And I have 2 green bell peppers I diced up. They're going in. Now I'm going to saute the ground beef, the peppers, and the onions till the ground beef is browned. The ground beef is browned, and the peppers and onions are translucent. Then I'm going to drain this because this isn't a lean ground beef, it's fatty. Alright guys, now that my ground beef is browned up and my vegetables are starting to soften up, I drain the grease off of that. I'm going to dump a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes and juice and all. I'm going to add in a 12 ounce can of V8. You could also use tomato juice for this, but V8 has more flavor. Just get that down in there. Alright. I'm going to put in a dash of celery seed. This is optional. It's about a half a teaspoon. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of chili powder. And I'm going to put in some salt. I should have had my salt pre-opened. Please excuse me. I'll just grab salt over here, guys. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give that a stir. Okay, now I have 2 cups of uncooked white rice. We're going to add that in. Give that a stir. And now I have a head of cabbage that I diced up, cut up. I'll show you the pieces I cut it up in. About like that. I'm just going to go ahead and get my cabbage down in here. What I'm going to do after I get my cabbage in here, guys, I'm going to put a lid on this and I'm going to simmer it for about 20 minutes covered until the cabbage is tender and the rice cooks through. Alright guys, this is done. There was a few changes to it. I had to add more liquid, and I put in another can of V8, so it was 2 cans, 24 ounces. And I had to add in a cup of water. And it took 35 minutes for it to cook. Now the recipe I got for this was way up, because that rice just drank up that water like it was going out of style of the liquid. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Piece of cabbage here. Cabbage is good, has a little bit of a crisp to it. If you want your cabbage a little more tender, I'd give it about 40 minutes. Has that good stuffed cabbage flavor. Rice is tender. That's really good, guys. It tastes like stuffed cabbage, but it's a lot easier. Alright, there you have it, unstuffed cabbage. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.